Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of the weather in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these words together. Please give it a try. Sunny, sunny, sunny. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Rainy, rainy, rainy. Windy, windy, windy. Hot, hot, hot. Humid, 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 or muggy, muggy, muggy. Dry, dry, dry. Cool, cool, cool. Cold, cold, cold. Icy, icy, icy. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations help our channel grow. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.